Benjamin. All right, Ben. Are you ready? Okay, fellas. This is what? February, what, 8th? 2004. All right. And how old are you?
5.
All right. Now, Benjamin, we're going to start with you. Okay? It's okay, Patrick. You stay there. Oh, okay. We'll start with Ben, and then you come back. Okay, Ben? I want you to tell me all the presidents in order.
Okay.
Start with 1,
George Washington.
2,
John Adams.
3,
Thomas Jefferson.
4,
James Madison.
5,
James Monroe.
6,
John Quincy Adams.
7,
Andrew Jackson.
8,
Martin Van Buren.
9,
William Henry Harrison.
10,
John Tyler.
11,
David Knox Polk.
12,
Zachary Taylor.
13,
Millard Fillmore.
14,
Franklin Pierce.
15,
James Buchanan.
16,
Abraham Lincoln.
17,
Andrew Johnson.
18,
Ulysses Simpson Grant.
19,
Christopher Bircher Hayes.
20,
James Abram Garfield.
21,
Chester Alan Arthur.
22,
Stephen Grover Cleveland.
23,
Benjamin Harrison.
24,
Stephen Grover Cleveland.
25,
William McKinley.
26,
Theodore Roosevelt.
27,
William Howard Taft.
28,
Thomas Woodrow Wilson.
29,
Warren Gilmore Harding.
30,
John Calvin Coolidge.
31,
Herbert Clark Coover.
32,
Franklin Delano Roosevelt.
33,
Harry S. Truman.
34,
Dwight David Eisenhower.
35,
John Fitzgerald Kennedy.
36,
Lyndon Baines Johnson.
37,
Richard Milhous Nixon.
38,
Gerald Rudolph Ford.
39,
Samuel Carter Jr.
40,
Ronald Wilson Reagan.
41,
George Herbert Walker Bush.
42,
William Johnson Clinton.
43.
George Walker Bush.
Excellent job. Now, what else do you know about the presidents?
I know that 4 presidents was shot.
Oh, they were. Who were they?
The 16th was Abraham Lincoln. He got shot in the theater. The 20th president, James Abram Garfield. 25th, William McKinley. And 35, John Fitzgerald Kennedy.
Oh, wow. Do you know which ones were from Ohio? Your state.
I think Benjamin Harrison was.
Okay.
I think there were 9 of them, right?
Or maybe, that sounds close. Maybe 8?
Yeah.
8 of them. That was close. Very good.
And some of them were like there were 37 dead, and there's 30. Wait, there's only one that's getting. Wait, there's 2 that is old. Like 38 Gerald Rudolph Ford and 40 Ronald Wilson Reagan.
Okay.
And I know something else about Ronald Reagan.
What?
Ronald Wilson Reagan. I have something